Better understanding as a language teacher. So the knowledge of morphology of syntax is highly important as language teacher. The study of morphology deals with important insight of how language works. So as teacher, we know that how a language, especially the language that we are teaching, works, right? A lot of student of especially when they are studying some teachers training degree or diplomas, they ask that what is the importance of learning grammar in details. It's very important. If you are a teacher, you must have answers to all the questions of your students. So student can put up any question. So unless you have better knowledge of the language that you are teaching, you cannot be a successful teacher. You cannot play a good role of a teacher. So exposing the different needs of words, categories, and modifying words in various ways, you must know that how these words are made, how they are used, how they can be used to communicate, what they communicate. So a teacher of English language is a person who has command over his subject, who knows how from sounds up to the text, different constituent or component of language work. Morphology applied in education helps the teachers, particularly EFL, English as a foreign language teachers, to understand the nature of the language system. So you as EFL students who are supposed to teach language to the students who do not know, right, have the role to know the language and to effectively communicate their knowledge to their students. This is because studying morphology means studying the system of the language works. That how language works is very important, and with the help of this morphology and syntax, you can do this role. Unlike phonology, whose main focus simply on the element of the sound, morphology deals with solely with how the words are formed and structures. Morphology studies only pronunciation, how the word sounds, what are phonemes. But morphology has more detailed work to perform. Therefore, learning morphology itself will help students to be more creative in creating new words, for they have learned how to form the word. So if you are able to teach morphology to your students, they'll be able to know how words are formed. And when they know how words are formed, their vocabulary will increase and they will be more fluent in their speech and in their writing. So as a teacher of English language, it is your duty to know your subject very well, and for knowing your subject, the knowledge of morphology, obviously, and of syntax is of paramount importance.